Hey everybody, Nathan60 here with another tutorial on the 3D printing project. Let's dive right in.
Okay, welcome back everybody. Today we are going to be making a happy birthday sign. If any of your friends or family are having a birthday, you can just make one of these and give it to them. So this is super simple. Obviously there's a text option you can throw in. You can just say whatever you want. Happy birth nope. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Well, that's obviously super easy to make, but I'm gonna make more three-dimensional. So you take a wedge. You can make it like this. Then you can just put the text right here. Perfect. So you can just say happy birthday, and it's super easy. So you can just do this. Okay, perfect. This doesn't seem very hard. And you can just add a star if you want on top. Everything is easy. Dice. And then here you can have other thing, you can have text and numbers. You can now have their initials. You can have their initials here. We got this. Perfect. Then you can just group it together. Perfect. It'll be way more obviously to see once you print it, but it's kind of hard to see because it's the same Harlan. Let's change the colors. Okay, let's try this, like that. Then after you finish making whatever sign you like to do, you can export, press STL. Then you open your Ultimate Sakura. then it'll open. Give it a second, it'll open in a second. Oh, shut up. Then, the software will open for you. Has to do some loading. Then you press Files. You find your file. Right here. Okay. Then you can make it smaller. Happy birthday. Then you can slice it. Preview. Then you can just save the file, and then everything's good. You can just put it into your 3D printer and it'll start printing.